All right, so we're gonna start kind of what would be a warm-up for one of our circus classes. We always start every class with some cardio, right? So we're gonna do just some normal jumping jacks to start. Right, yeah, normal jumping jacks, no problem, easy. Okay, good, we're gonna take a break. We're gonna see if we can wake up our brains a little bit by doing some weird jumping jacks. We're gonna start with our arms up over our head and do our jumping jacks this way. Ready, go. Right, yeah, it feels weird. It's harder than you think it's gonna be. We're gonna see if we can transition these into just jumping jacks with our right side. Just jumping jacks with your left. Now crossbody, right leg and left arm. What? Oh, brain's exploding. There it goes. Other side. Nice. Okay, good. We're gonna let it rest. We're gonna do one more, right? Your legs are gonna go out, out, in, in. Ready? Out, out, in, out, out, in. Add the arms, ready, go. Out, out, in, out, oh no. Out, out, in, out, in, done. Good job. Yeah, you just figured it out, right? So important to warm up our brains and cardio a little bit at the same time, yeah? We're gonna do a little bit for our shoulders, so come stand against the wall. And then we're gonna take our arms up at right angles out from our sides, just like this. Yeah, we're gonna hold there for a second. I'll show you what comes next. Ready, go. Nice, so for all of our aerial classes, warming up our shoulders, super important, right? Shoulder and elbow and hand are all in a nice line, and we're chilling, right? We're gonna take our arms, and we're just gonna touch our fingers up together over our head, trying to keep your wrists plastered to the wall, and back down. And then back up, and then back down. Two more, up, and down, good job. One more, up, and down, beautiful. Then we're gonna bring our elbows together. Good, keep your hands apart, and back out to the wall. We'll do that 3 times. Ready? 2, and out, and 3. Good, just warming up the shoulders, trying to get our posture really nice, yeah? Good job. And then we're gonna come out and do a little bit of core warm up. Just be sure that all of the abs are turned on before we get going, yeah? Let's go back to like our little horseshoe shape. Good job, we're gonna come down on our hands and knees and into a plank. Yeah, so from your knees or from your toes, we're just gonna lift up to a plank, really focusing on pulling that belly button up in towards the spine. Yep, shifting our shoulders forward just a little bit. Good job. Then we're gonna lift our right foot off the floor. Beautiful, and float it right there. Keep that belly high, keep that butt squeezing, keep those shoulders forward, and switch legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good challenge round. Both feet on the floor. Take one arm out over your head. Yeah, straight out over your head, just like Vicky right here, right by the ear. Hold 3, 2, yeah, 1. Other side. Ready, 5. This is a challenging one. You want to try to keep your hips square. 4, yes, 3, 2, 1. Relax and come on down. Good job. Ah, nice work, ladies. Yeah, warm up. Good job.